Smokey CNC Woodworks. I'm Brian, and today we're going to get out here and cut a logo sign. I've been kind of laying off here this last week. Temperatures here in southern Oklahoma have been 100 plus most days. I've got a nice dark green roof on this shop, which pops it up there at about 120. So I just kind of refuse to come out here when it's that hot. I mean, I just melt down. And even now you can see I'm sweating through and it's in the low to mid 90s. So anyway, this one's going to be kind of a different one simply because I'm not doing it for just anybody. This logo is going to be for my wife, and it's for her. I've talked about going to craft shows and trade shows. This is going to be the name of the trade show, I don't know, company. She's going to try to separate it from the brick and mortar stores. What she's trying to do is that way it's two separate things. And so this one's extra important, so let's get to it. Well guys, that was it. You know, this one's, like I said, this one's for my wife's craft show company, whatever you want to call it, that little business. She's just trying to separate it there from the brick and mortar store. I'm pretty happy with it. Some of the color bled into it. You know, when we were first talking about what color we wanted this, I wanted some of the lines black and lettering white, maybe the boat blue and the oars blue, and she just wanted it one color. And so I put my foot down, and it's one color. So anyway, like I said, it had a little bit of bleed. The grain on this oak was just opened up a little bit more and just sucked it in. I couldn't keep sanding because I would have sanded through some of my lines. So I went ahead and just went with the darker stain. It covered up some of it, but not all of it. I can still see it. Just in passing, I doubt you will. I am still going to go ahead and polyurethane it, and it'll come out looking really good. So that's going to be it for this one, guys. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, and I'll see y'all next time.